Let's do a quick recap of the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. It is over. We have just about a week left. November 30th is when it ends, so we can talk about it and see, where we stand. We had 13 named storms this year, 5 of which became hurricanes and 4 of which became major hurricanes. On average, we see 14 named storms, 7 hurricanes, and 3 major hurricanes. So we came in slightly above average, with those major hurricanes being a bit higher, but nothing off the charts, which is good news. Not complaining about that. But of course, the most significant storm was Hurricane Melissa, which made landfall in Jamaica in October as a major Category 5 hurricane, brought them some serious destruction and devastation. There was only one United States landfall. That was Tropical Storm Chantal back in July. You may remember there was a lot of bad flooding with that in the Carolinas. There were no Gulf Coast landfalls. And the reason why this season kind of underperformed is because there was a lull during the peak of the season, which is in August and September. We had that lull because there was a lot of dry air and wind shear over the Atlantic basin, which makes it hard for storms to develop. Plus, there was less activity off of the west coast of Africa. Less tropical waves came off of Africa, which is really the seed for tropical development. So we had less of that. Made it all kind of quiet during the peak of the season. And you may remember it was interesting this year. We did have those storms develop out in the Atlantic, and then they kind of curved out into the Atlantic Ocean, which is great news. So not complaining. We did good this year. Now, when it comes to next year, time will tell. We'll have to watch and see all the different kind of factors. We'll be monitoring that. So we'll wait and see, and fingers crossed we get lucky again next year.